So here we go, y'all. So what we got here is we got the WMD's completed upper assembly. This is a forged aluminum upper, coated in nickel metal bearing. I gotta get this out in the sun so y'all can see it better. Then we got the Spice Tactical lower completed. Yeah. And we about to mount these two together. Since the lower is completed, I think I have to just knock out these pins right here. And knock out this one, slap it on top, and push it back through. And I think that it should be assembled. So I'm about to go ahead and do some of my research real quick before I do all of that. Anything you see in this video, I do not want you to attempt it. No, I'm not making this as a tutorial video. It's just to show y'all what I'm doing. And so y'all can see a little sneak peek behind. So I think I'm gonna do like the montage on when I make the AR pistol, because this one's kind of just my first kit gun that I put together. So I'm trying to keep the budget under $1,500 with this one. So everything you see here, this guy was like $620, $630. Came up to like $670 when it shipped. This piece was $317. I got more stuff coming. Okay, with the everything that's gonna be on it, it's going to be around $1,200. The most is one of the other parts that's gonna take the price up on the rifle that we're doing is gonna be the sight I choose, because I'm gonna put a good sight on this one. Yeah, man, I'll be right back. So y'all don't know if this is necessary, but I'm gonna do it. Gonna put some lube in some of the moving parts with a firearm. This on some of the moving parts. On this little sliding pin, a little hole. I'm gonna put a little bit of lube there. Just in a little hole. Put a little bit here. Just on stuff that's gonna be having contact. So that got a little bit of lube on it. Now, probably I really want to put lube on. I think I'm gonna take the bolt carrier out, and I'm gonna pre-lube the bolt carrier. The bolt carrier is out, so I think I'm just gonna put lube on the bolt carrier. You know, since it's a sliding part. Just wipe some of that on there, and nothing too crazy. Just get it all lubed up so it slides nicely. I want it to be like butter. I don't know if this is the proper way, but I'm just doing it. So if I mess something up, y'all can learn from my mistake. How about that? But I just know things should be lubed up as moving parts like this. So not going too crazy, but I'm making sure it's lubed up though. Okay, enough of that. Put that right there. Charger handle. I don't know if charger handles need to be lubed up, but I'm just gonna go with one little swipe like that, and go down the sides like that, and I'm gonna leave that at that. It'd be good to go. The first time firing. I don't want no jams when I fire it the first time, y'all. No jams. Yeah, because you can see the charger handle was like kind of like marking right there. So okay. So let's put this thing back together real quick. I forgot how to put it together that fast. What's that? Okay, so you put the charger handle in, then you like that. Boom. Okay. So we all lubed up now. Now, this should go on just easily. Okay. Like so. Okay. Okay, we are assembled. This is way lighter than my other one. Dude, this is way lighter. Like I could just this is way lighter. Like this is way lighter. My other one has to be about 10-15 pounds. But here we go, y'all. This is the one we just made. It's almost done. It ain't done yet. We still gotta put all our attachments on here and everything. I gotta put the sling on there. I think I'm gonna do a single point on this one, but I can't do the double point. I like it though. I like it. Yeah, I like it. I don't know. I like it a lot. It's really light. I could say that much. That's nice and smooth. Yeah, everything nice and smooth. Like, this is really, yeah. Safeties. One thing I might change on here though is for sure. I think I want to change the trigger out. We're gonna change the trigger out. I think we're gonna change that. Trigger's cool for right now, but we're gonna change that eventually. But other than that, it looked pretty solid. I like the way how it look. It's like a two-tone. It's black and it got the nickel metal up top. So yeah, here go this side. I'm gonna do a quick montage for y'all, so y'all can see what it look like. Before we do that, let's see. Yeah, it's like butter. We gotta break that in a little bit. It's a little. Yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. Let's see how that wall is. Oh, hold on. This thing actually like. This thing actually like. Look at that. Like, I don't know if y'all can see it. It barely takes any pull. I don't know. I want to change the what's the name, but the only reason why I want to change it because I want a flat trigger. But this one's not that bad. Not that bad, honestly. I can't wait to use it. This thing is light. I can't wait to use this, man. Yeah, like I promised, quick little montage of it, so y'all can see what it looks like. As it sits right now, this is currently 670 plus 317. You might as well say this is $1,000 rifle right here as it sits. $1,000 rifle before attachments. Yeah, man, we got way more coming, man. So I might just jam all that into one video. Once I get the rest of the parts, they should be coming in this week. And hopefully I had this video done before the week and we can shoot it. We're gonna shoot it at the end of this week. So yeah, let's get it, man. It's your boy TBGVLOGS. Subscribe to the channel to follow the builds. We got more builds coming. This was the first one. I'm going to actually do an AR pistol from scratch. I'm talking about a stripped lower. We're doing it from the very beginning. And that build, when I price that, it's gonna be a minute before I do that build. It's gonna be a pretty pricey build. But I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Drop a like, drop a comment. You know what I'm saying? Drop the subscribe, man. You know what I'm saying? Peace.